Katy Perry's recent change has been making waves. She was seen sporting a slimmer figure after gaining weight due to pregnancy, looking more stunning than ever. Curious about her impressive transformation? Let's break it down. Welcome to the Fabulous Body Mind channel, where we dive deep into the hottest celebrity weight loss trends and transformations. Today, we're diving into Katy Perry's stunning weight loss journey. From her hit songs to her impressive transformation, Katy's recent change has been making waves. Curious about her secrets? Let's break it down. Katy Perry, the pop sensation known for her chart-topping hits, has recently grabbed headlines with her noticeable weight loss. How did she manage to shed nearly 20 pounds? Let's get into the details. Secret number 1. Morning ritual. Her day kicks off with a powerful trio: water, apple cider vinegar, and celery juice. This combination is believed to kickstart her metabolism, aid digestion, and reduce inflammation. It's like a refreshing, health-boosting wake-up call. Secret number 2. Balanced diet. Katy Perry revamped her diet by incorporating more whole foods and cutting back on processed items. Think lean proteins, fresh vegetables, and fruits. This isn't just about losing weight. It's about nourishing her body with the right nutrients. Secret number 3. Consistent exercise. Katy's fitness routine includes a mix of cardio and strength training. Whether she's hitting the gym or enjoying a dance class, staying active has been a key part of her weight loss success. Secret number 4. Wellness routine. Katy also emphasizes wellness practices. She's been spotted embracing mindfulness, getting enough sleep, and staying hydrated. Crucial elements for maintaining overall health and aiding weight loss. Secret number 5. Positive mindset. Katy's transformation isn't just physical, it's mental too. Staying motivated and focusing on her well-being has been integral to her journey. So, there you have it. Katy Perry's weight loss secrets involve a powerful morning ritual, a balanced diet, consistent exercise, a wellness routine, and a positive mindset. It's all about making holistic changes for a healthier lifestyle. Don't forget to like this video and share this video to others who might benefit. Together, we can transform life. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next video.